You know, the Bible shows that the last powers, according to Daniel chapter 2, with the feet of iron and of clay, is this broken up Western Europe. And just as the Bible shows, these nations are still around today. These nations still have influence over the world. Have influence over who? The world today. You say influence over the world. Not only the old world when they first broke up in the Dark Ages, which we'll talk about in a moment, but also still today. You say still today. Brothers and sisters, question for the room. We are here in the United States of America, correct? What language do we speak here in the United States of America? English. Now, where does the language of English come from? The Anglo-Saxons or England? Because the United States, we know, started off as British or English colonies here in America before the Declaration of Independence in 1776. So America has been influenced by the Anglo. Up in Canada, what language do they speak? Majority English, but part of it, like Quebec and certain other parts of Canada, speaks also French. But both English from England and also French comes from what nation? France, which is where? In Europe. How about if you go down to Central America, Mexico? What language do they speak in Mexico? Spanish. Where does Spanish come from? Spain, which is in what continent? Europe. And you can go down to South America, whether you want to talk about Peru or Venezuela or Colombia or Chile, or you can talk about these various different countries. They all speak, guess what? Spanish, which comes from Spain. You say, how did these languages get over there? Through colonization. But just as the word of God says that these nations would not only influence the whole world, as they're in their broken state, would still bruise and conquer the nations. Do we still follow? You think about the islands and seas, DR, they speak what? Spanish, Spain, Europe. Haiti, they speak what? French, France. And various other islands of the sea, Trinidad and Jamaica, they speak English, Anglo-Saxon. Deal still with South America, Brazil, they speak what? Portuguese, Portugal, Europe. Are you saying this? Just as the Bible was showing us.